Hi guys, welcome to RBT Learning. In this slide, we will be cover the section 145 signing of audit report, section 146 attending of journal meeting, section 147 punishment related provision. Let's come to the section 145 auditor signed audit report. It is linked to the section 141 subsection 2. Let's take the recap of the section 141 subsection 2. If the audit is done by the individual, then the sign of the audit report is done by auditor himself. If the audit is done by the firm, only CA partner can sign on the audit report. Come to in our slide, person appointed by the company shall sign on the audit report according with the section 141 subsection 2. The qualification, adverse comment on the financial transaction or the matter which have any adverse effect on the functioning of company mentioned in the audit report. It would be read in the meeting and also open for the inspection by the member. Section 146 auditor to attend journal meeting. All in this section we will be cover all the communication which is done related to the journal meeting can also provided to the auditor, and auditor also attend the journal meeting either by himself or by representative. Let's come to our slide. All the notice and the other communication related to the any journal meeting shall be forwarded to the auditor of a company. The auditor shall, unless exempt otherwise, need to attend the meeting, and it is attended by himself or through authorized representative, who shall also be qualified to the auditor and also opportunity of being heard given. Section 147 punishment related provision. Now in this section there are 5 subsections. Let's come. Section 147 subsection 1 contravention from the section 139 to the section 146. In case of company, the punishment is not less than 25,000 up to the 5 lakh. In case of officer, not less than 10,000 up to the 1 lakh. Imprisonment up to the 1 year or the both. Section 147 subsection 2 contravention of section 139, 143, 147, 145 by the auditor. If the contravention is done by the unknowingly or unintentionally, then the punishment up to the not less than 25,000, it may extend it up to the 5 lakh or the 4 times of a remuneration, whichever is less. If the contravention is done by knowingly or intentionally, then fine is not less than 1 lakh up to the 25,000 or the 8 times of a remuneration, whichever is less, and imprisonment up to the 1 year. Section 147 subsection 3. If the section 147 subsection 2 contravene, refund of the remuneration paid by the company, pay damages to a company or the person or statutory body or the authority. Section 147 subsection 4. This subsection deal with the provision which is related to the auditor. If the auditor is done the default, then the central government will appoint one person who will settle all the dispute of auditor and pay all damages to the third party and file a report to the central government. It means it is related to the filing of report to the central government. The central government shall by notification specify any statutory body or the authority or the officer for ensure prompt payment of damages to the company or the person under the clause 2 of subsection 3, and such body, authority or officer shall, after payment of damages to such company or the person, file a report with the central government in respect of making such damages in such manner as may be specified in the said notification. Section 147 subsection 5. It is if the audit is done by the firm, then the liability of damages will be jointly and several, and in case of imprisonment it is done by only officer in default. Let's come to in our slide. Whenever in case of audit of a company being conducted by the audit firm, it is provided that the partner or partners of the audit firm has or have attained in defaulted manner or in any fraud or by intention by the company or its director or officer, the liability, whether civil or the criminal, as provided in the act or any other law for the time being enforced for such act of a partner or partner conveyed, then the audit firm jointly and severally responsible. That's for the day. Thank you for giving me your time. When or good night, goodbye, good morning, whenever you are watching the video. Shabakir.